Welcome to our guide on financial investing for beginners. We are about to embark on an exciting journey into the intricate world of investments, offering not just explanations, but in-depth knowledge to ignite your financial growth. Introduction to investing. Let's start at the beginning. The introduction to investing. It's more than a mere transfer of funds. It's a strategic move to secure your financial future. In this guide, we unravel the mysteries of investments, revealing how this process shapes your financial destiny. Imagine your money actively working for you. Investing involves transferring funds strategically, aiming for higher returns. Join us as we explore this financial landscape, unveiling its vast potential for your financial future. Types of investments. Now, venture into the ocean of investment possibilities, categorized into long-term and short-term strategies. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds offer substantial returns, but with higher risks. Day trading and options present quicker risk-reward scenarios. Navigate these waters to align decisions with your unique goals. Risk management. Successful investing is a calculated strategy that involves understanding and managing risks. Diversification becomes your ally, reducing vulnerability to market fluctuations. Explore the art of risk management, ensuring a confident journey through the investment landscape. Setting financial goals. Beyond technicalities, successful investing starts with clear financial goals. Dive into the importance of short-term and long-term objectives, empowering you to make informed decisions. Your goals act as the compass guiding your investment strategy. Technology and finance. Fast forward to the present, where technology revolutionizes investing. Online platforms, robo-advisors, and AI-driven strategies are integral tools. Explore the intersection of technology and finance, making investing accessible, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's delve into common mistakes hindering your financial journey. Overconfidence, impulsivity, and neglecting diversification. Dissect these missteps, arming you with knowledge for a smoother investment path. In the ever-evolving landscape of financial investing, staying informed is your most powerful tool. Keep learning, adapt to changes, and watch your financial journey thrive. Successful financial investing requires understanding, clear goals, and robust risk management. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And always remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback in the world of investments. Your resilience is the secret sauce to long-term financial success. As you navigate this exciting journey, embrace the opportunities, learn from challenges, and build a solid foundation for your financial future. Your financial success story begins now. Join this channel to join the journey to learn more and grow. Happy investing!